am Vaishnavi Desai and we are at EdNext in Bangalore. I have with me Akansha, who's a product owner at Siemens Industry Software. Hi Akansha, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. What about you?
Doing well, thank you. And I'm glad to have you on board for this conversation. Akansha, we are talking about research, we're talking about research and development and how industry gets its solutions from academia. But where are the challenges? What are the barriers to it?
Okay, so when we take interviews, what we feel is that we are not getting skilled engineer. So what happens is, and then we also see the news that every year 10,000 engineers are passing out in India. And then where is the gap? Why those engineers are not able to meet the industry standards? So when we came up this problem, we also did research and everything. We went in the schools that what is actually the problem, and then we realized nowadays the students are lacking that 21st century skill set to bridging that gap between classroom to industry. Why every time classroom has to go to industry? So this time we decided, let's together not only discuss about the problem. Okay, you know what, so many engineers are there and they're just passing out and there's no jobs, rather than start solving it. So we came up with this program that is called Pathway to Learning Engineering, where we teach our students problem solving method. We're making them ready for upcoming problems, unknown problems. So they are going to be in a situation, I give you a problem and now find a solution. You don't have to go bookish knowledge or something, because that is what it is needed in industry. In industry, we come up with a problem and then team collaborates and they form a solution. So we are looking into that. So we are offering this program to schools where students and teacher together, because teacher plays a vital role in that. So we have kept teachers with us, and teacher and student together collab and they do project based learning.
Anything else that you want to add that Siemens is doing to help research and outcome based research in academia?
In academia, Siemens have two programs which are helping. Actually, one is RF Engineering, which is free for class 5 to 7, and you can just go and Google it, www.rfengineering.com, and that is also a project-based learning where students and teachers together work. And then this program, Pathway to Learning Engineering, there the main thing starts from research. So students don't have to read or mug it up. They will first research on something. There will be nothing that just go around. That is Pathway to Learning Engineering. It will enhance students to start everything from research, not just grasp bookish knowledge.
How's the experience been at EdNext Bangalore?
It was amazing. It was amazing because here we got to know what school wants and what they are looking for and where is the gap. And every speaker which we saw and which we heard, and then we realized this is the problem all over and we all are into the same path and how we can help. So it was a great experience. Everything was well mannered, on time. In India, on time, that's amazing. So it was a great experience.
Thank you so much, Akansha. Thank you for your kind words. That was Akansha, product owner at Siemens. For more updates, stay tuned to ET Education. Thank you.